of rust. Dirt bike in the red dust. Ride it through the mulga scrub, gonna break loose or bust on my dirt bike in the red dust. The game today is I'm going to put the boot out here in a little circle. The boys one at a time are going to start from the starting line, go out while they're on the bike, lean down, pick up the boot and bring it back to the finish line. It's going to be a time trial and then we'll pick the 2 best times and have a final. How do you think you're going to go, boys?
Good.
Horrible, good?
Yeah,
Is this dangerous, Lewis?
Yeah, it's dangerous, right? Hopefully I don't snap my clutch for the 4th time.
Okay, me too. Righto, this is the spot. Off goes the boot. And here we go. Kickstart, there goes my heart. The moment you can own it. Foot down, spin that wheel. Come on, give me a donut. Disappear, have no fear. A cloud on the horizon. This kid's gone flying. On that dirt bike in the red dust. Screaming through the Outback on my engine full of rust. Dirt bike in the red dust. I've been hanging around Lewis for a few days here in Quilpie and the girls follow him wherever he goes and love him, so they mustn't have known he was here. So he's the ladies' man of Quilpie. Lewis, start your engine. Well, now I've heard around town that there's no pressure, Cody, but I heard he's #1 as far as doing mad stuff on dirt bikes. So there is a bit of pressure actually, Cody. Start your engine, mate. 15 seconds and 14 seconds to beat. Ready, set, go! We've got young Braxton here, and Braxton's only a little bit higher than the boot, so I'm thinking he might go all right and give these big fellas a run for his money. You ready, mate? Start your engine. Ready, set, go! He's standing up, he's relaxed, he's cool as a cucumber. If he picks this up, he's going to go close. He's coming in, he's coming in. Oh, he's taking his time, he's safety first. But he's got it now. Can he carry it? He's got it. Here he comes. Oh, one hand. So we've got Hunter and Cody. We've taken their times. This is the first semi. You ready, boys? Yeah. All right. Big cheer over here. Ready, set, go! And they're off. Oh, they're pretty even. I think Cody's just got him on time. It all comes down to the pickup. Oh, Hunter's got the clean pickup. Back he comes. And Hunter is through to the final. Ready, set, go! Cody's off to a quick start, but we know Ewan's got the good pickup. We know Ewan's had a bit of a hiccup. Oh, Cody's back. Oh, Cody's back. He's done it. Right, this is it. The final of Where's the Boot in Quilpie. We've got Hunter and Cody. Now, everyone's been talking Cody up. Hunter, I didn't hear anything about Hunter, so he's a bit of a dark horse. So, are you ready, boys? Start your engines. Ready, set, go! And it's close. Cody's got the speed, but Hunter's got the pickup. We know that. Hunter's in the, oh, look out, it's going to come down to speed. It's tight. Oh, Cody! What a race! Dirt bike in the red dust. Screaming through the Outback on my engine full of rust. Dirt bike in the red dust. Ride it through the mulga scrub, gonna break loose or bust on my dirt bike in the red dust. All right, Cody, they talked you up in town, mate, as the number one young bike rider. So, and you won the Where's the Boot Challenge in Quilpie, so congratulations.
Thank you.
And here's a cap from our sponsors, Ariat. Well done, mate. Try it on for size, eh? Beautiful.